Good morning, Dyches fam, and happy winter. Winter is officially here. Holy crap.
Ah! Oh, my eyes.
Can't you see, Bubba?
Yeah, really?
Get your hood on, that would help. And zip your coat up, you goofy. We went to bed last night with like maybe an inch of snow, and now there's like 5 to 6 inches of snow this morning. And it is still coming down hard. Oh, Caden, is that cold enough for you? No, it's not. Tell these guys hello. William, tell these guys hello.
Hello. Hello.
Say how you guys doing.
How you guys doing?
Ask them if they like playing in the snow.
Do you guys like playing in the snow?
So let us.
I do.
Cause you do?
Yeah, and let us know in the comments below.
Nikoi's got a basketball game today, and Tane's got 2 indoor soccer games, and so hopefully we can travel safely in this snowy weather out here. But we're gonna get the driveway scraped real quick. Oh! In order to be able to get in the kids' sports games today, we gotta scrape the driveway just so we can get the van out. Or we might be taking trusty truck. You gotta put your back into it. Happy snow day.
Happy snow day.
Happy snow day, Mom.
It's finally winter here.
Yep, winter.
William,
Hey.
do you love snow?
Yeah.
Rosie Bear, happy snow day.
Yeah, happy snow day.
Snow. 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 Nikoi, what are we doing right now?
Going to my basketball game.
Going to your basketball game.
In the snow.
How many baskets are you gonna try to score today?
5.
5?
Yeah.
Okay, little lady, go tear it up, you little junior jazz hat.
A day.
Snow. Say snow.
Where's the snow?
Was it cold on your face?
Where's the snow?
Roswell didn't like it when we got out of the truck. It was too cold. Is this snow cold?
Hands are cold, baby.
It's cold, isn't it, Mama?
Go snow, go snow, go.
William, say go blue number 2.
Go blue number 2. Go blue number 2.
Go blue.
Number 2. Go blue, number 2.
Whoa, she's on fire. 3 in a row. Look how cute Roswell is. Say ba, 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 basketball. Say go blue number 2. That's my boy. Go. Say peace, kids. Say peace out. Say peace out. allowed to steal the ball, but did you see that move? Her defense made the girl turn it over. Nikoi took it and scored a layup.
Good job, Coco.
Keep it up, little lady. Hey, we'll take 4 baskets every day. You know what I'm saying? That was good. Way to hustle. Aww. Say good job, Sissy.
Daddy, look, I want to show you something.
Oh, man. Good job, little lady. I'm proud of you. Way to hustle your guts out. Well, here's our backyard. Go ahead and put that basketball hoop up. Look at that big old spot on the grass. That's crazy. The goal over there, soccer goal, is almost covered. Woo! Look at all that snow drift. Crazy snowbank.
Snow.
Go jump in that. Go jump on that snowbank. It's like 9 feet deep. Okay. Go jump in that one, yeah. Have fun, buddy. Crazy cat. Oh man, I hate to be traveling today. Have fun, buddy.